Hello everyone, myself Neha Singh. Today we'll discuss on electronic gadgets. First we discuss on what is electronic gadgets. Electronic gadgets are appliances which work on technology or electronic technology. In simple example, calculator is an electronic gadget. It is a form of modern gadget. Modern gadgets are those include advanced technology. Today, no one can imagine a life without electronic gadgets. These gadgets have so many uses and perform several functions. This is this is a wide variety of gadgets including smartphone, music player, home appliances and more. These gadgets work with technology, are quick in their working machine toys such as remote control car or speaking dolls have always fascinated children for all ages. Technology today has become part of lives and it is not surprising to see a 2 3 years unlock mobile phone, operate apps, play games and hit their right link of touch screen gadgets. For a student, these gadgets promote and enhance learning experience, helps them enhance their skills and allows them to explore their topic of interest like never before. Next, why are gadgets important to students? It also helps the students to learn perform the gadgets and grow their learning skill. It helps the students to prepare and possess the good educations for the entire academic year. Electronic gadgets are not only useful for students but it is also useful for teaching staff. What is the uses of gadget in our daily life? Electronic gadgets are prominent. These are inventions. They play a vital role in our lives. The electronic gadgets which we use daily consistent of light, televisions, computer, fan, AC, refrigerators, telephones, cell phones, etc. Life would have been very difficult without these inventions. Next, advantage of electronic gadgets for a student. Electronic device may helps to enhance speaking skills, listening, and creative skills. Toddlers and preschool children learn by listening to music, rhymes, and watching programs and handheld gadgets or televisions. The visual representations helps to stimulate their sense. Playing competitive video game and electronic device helps improve hand-eye coordinations and decision making. Some children self learn various artistic and technical skills on their internet and improving knowledge in their area of interest. The students are able to understand concept better by using learning apps without the assistance of a teacher. Disadvantage of electronic gadgets for students. Next, young children may show temperament, or refuse to cooperate unless allow the play with their gadgets. Excessive exposure to electronic gadgets can lead to children spending less time outdoor and limiting their social interactions. Poor concentration in study and lack of interest in day-to-day activities. Excessive gadget use can be addictive and lead to poor health, sedentary lifestyle and bad eating habit. Playing video game of a violent nature can have a negative effect on your child's behavior. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.